Sithi masinitshela ngezinto nengafuni ukuzwa. What is happening here? Ama-civilians ayajabula, ajabulela ukuthi i-M23 ikwazile ukuthi inqobe amasosha kahulumeni. Why would they celebrate that? They are celebrating it because njengamanje i-M23 izivuka nje kangaka ilwa nohulumeni, ilwela ukuthi uhulumeni uhluphekisa abantu bebe nama minerals nama resources inqwaba. Ubhizi uhulumeni uyalutha, yena upresident kanye nabangani bakhe benza exactly lento enzo Cyril Ramaphosa la eSouth Africa. Bayaceba bona, bakhiphelana amathenda, baba yigwili, yet abantu abahlala eKongo bayahlupheka. Balwa naye ukuthi ilokuzana i-history ye country kade le country yayibhizi izama ukuthi ilwe necolonialism, and they had won kahle kahle njengayo futhi ANC ukuthi kahle kahle base be free from colonialism because they had won against it. But lo president waphinda futhi yena wayobafaka futhi kuyo exactly the same way your fellow South Africans are doing, njengabo Thabo Mbeki, njengabo otatabeni labe ngengisalisha igama lakhe, ukuthi kwathi yonke into isi right sekwazi ukuthi kiwe forward because isilwiwe impi yawinwa. Bona basuka basebecabangela amaphakethe, yabo, which is exactly the same thing that we facing la eSouth Africa, yabo. So understandani ukuthi lento eyenzekayo, lento kade ngisho ukuthi amasosha ase South Africa shouldn't have been there, ngoba lempi eyabantu bevuka belwela amalungelo abo. Thina siyo supporta i-government ukuthi i-government ayibe stronger and resist and retaliate to these people abalwela amalungelo abo. Ngiyabona, like, this is politics. This is politics. You'll never hear into eyiqiniso eindabeni kwi-mainstream media. Angazi lento ukuthi sisontshela kangaka ukuze nizwe. Niyayizwa umuntu next thing useyikhohliwe, verify ama facts ngazo futhi lezo indaba. Yabo. So that is the issue la eAfrica. Ukuthi asiyicontrol media yethu, icontrolwa yiWest. Nayo yonke into eyenzekayo, this war needs to be prolonged. Njengamanje it's very easy for iSouth Africa ukuthi iqede lempi. It's very easy. Khona amabhanoyi la eSouth Africa kuthiwa ama-Roy Falk, the most deadliest aircrafts are designed ukuthi empini. If two of those things come to your city is gone. Yabo. Kulula ukuthi bayiwine, but ngoba bayazi ukuthi uma behamba beyo attack ngalawo mabhanoyi, they will literally be attacking civilians. They know this. That's why they're not sending lawo mabhanoyi ukuthi ayo rescueisha amasosha ethu lapha. Yabo. They don't want to actually attack i-M23 ngoba bayazi ukuthi i-M23 iphelezelwa abantu abaningi abama civilians, so they would rather create a false narrative ngabo. Wake up. Wake up. Nah. I think in the egg.